Me, I can see him. I actually know a guy who got his ear bitten off by a grizzly bear while hiking this trail. So I'm a little keyed up about the bears. Plus the visibility is so terrible. So you could be right around the corner from a grizzly bear and you wouldn't even know it. Like the bear spray, it's... Hey, hey! Bear! Is a fresh bear dookie. Something came tearing through here in the brush onto the trail. This is why I like bear spray instead of guns. Guns are only as good as your aim. Bear spray is like a hand grenade. I can be in the fetal position, curled up in a ball, spraying this thing, and still do some good.